Now, the adaptations. The adaptations are the changes in the body, organs, functions, features, or behavior of the animals so that they can survive in the habitat, in the area, in the climate that they live. For example, they bring changes in the covering of their body, or their breathing organs, or their eating habits, or their movement, the style of movement. Let us study first all of about the body covering. The animals which live in water or on land, you must have seen, for example, snake. It is covered with scales. Similarly, crocodile, lizards also have scales in their body. These scales, they help them to prevent the water loss. Animals like snake, they also move with the help of their scales, and after some time their scales and their skin is periodically shed. This shedding of the skin by the snake is also called molting. Lizards, and here is a crocodile, their scales, they all have scales on their body. Then shells. Animals like tortoise, snails and turtles, they have a protective shell on their body which helps them protect from the external danger. As soon as they sense any danger, they get back into their shells. Now, feathers. Feathers are found on the body covers of bird. These feathers, they help the birds protect themselves from the rain and also help them to fly. Fur or wool. The animals like sheep, goat and bear, they have special body covering. This is covered usually with fur. This fur helps them to protect from extreme cold or lots of rain. The next adaptation which we can see in the animals is about the breathing organs. All living organisms breathe. This is one of the special features of a living thing that you have studied in previous class. Very small organisms like this is an amoeba and paramecium which live in water. They can breathe through the body surfaces. Insects like ants, cockroaches, etc. They breathe through very tiny holes on their body surface and they are called spiracles. Aquatic animals like fish, prawn and crabs, they breathe through gills. Amphibians, that is the animals that live both on land as well as water, they have gills, they have lungs as well as gills or their body surface, that is they can breathe through their lungs or they can breathe through their gills or through their body surfaces. These are gills, children. They are comb-like structures which are found in fishes on the sides of their body. These structures, they help the aquatic animals absorb the oxygen that is dissolved in water and throw out the carbon dioxide. Mammals, those live on land, they have special breathing organs in their body. These are called lungs. As you can see, humans also have lungs. You have studied about them. We breathe through nose, and the exchange of gases takes place in the lungs. Lungs are spongy elastic bags which have a lot of supply of blood vessels, and they are situated on both the sides of the heart.